first graders, our learning target for math today is I can solve addition word problems. We are going to be on lesson 8.8 on page 479, and you'll see a yellow car on the top of your page and you'll know you're in the right spot. So we need to remember when we do addition word problems, a strategy that I taught you earlier where you underline the information you have and you circle the question, what you're looking for. It just helps you to solve the problem by thinking about what do I already know and what are they asking me to do. So let's go ahead and do this page together. It says, Kelly gets 6 new toy cars. He already has 18 cars. How many does he have now? So here's what we know. We're going to underline. Kelly gets 6 new toy cars, and he already has 18 toy cars. And the question is, how many does he have now? So that's what I'm going to circle. And they help you unlock the problem here more. And we're going to think about drawing a picture to help us solve this today too. It says, what do I need to find? How many toy cars Kelly has now? What information do I need to use? So that's the information they give you. Kelly has 18 cars and he gets 6 more cars. And then in the box it says, show how to solve the problem. So we're going to draw a picture to help us explain how to solve that problem. So we know that Kelly has 18 cars. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 18. 18 has 1 10 and 8 ones. So I've got 1 10 and 8 ones. And I know he gets 6 more cars, so I'm going to draw 6 more ones. There's my 18 plus 6 more. I know I'm going to add because we know what he started with, we know how many more he got, and we want to find the total. So I'm going to use that friendly number tool. So I've got 8 ones here. If I circle 2 more ones, that'll make another 10. So now I have 1 10 and 1 more 10. I have 2 10s. And these are my leftover ones. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So that was the tool I used to solve that. I drew the picture, and then I found the friendly number, and I added them together. So 18 plus 6 equals 24. And then there's a line at the bottom to explain your math thinking. So you might say, I drew a picture and used friendly numbers. Or if you use a different tool like a hundreds chart to count up, you can write on the line how you solved it. All right, let's try another one. Go ahead and flip the page. And we're going to do number 1 together. We're now on page 480, and you're going to see some blueberries. The question says, Aisha picks 60 blueberries to make a pie. Then she picks 12 more to eat. How many blueberries does Aisha pick? So, here's what we know. We'll underline what we know. She picks 60 blueberries to make a pie, and then she picks 12 more to eat. So we know she had 60 and she got 12 more. Here's the question. This is what they want us to find. How many blueberries does Aisha pick? Okay, so we know she had 60, plus she got 12 more, and we want to know how many she picked altogether. So we're looking for the total, so we know we're adding. So let's draw a picture. We're going to draw a picture every time to help us solve on these story problems. It's really, really helpful. So she had 60, so I'm going to draw 6 10s for 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s, plus 12 more, and we know 12 is 1 10 and 2 1s. And we want to know how many altogether. So this time I'm going to group my 10s. I'm going to add that 6 10s plus 1 more 10 makes 7 10s, and then we just have 2 more 1s. So 60 plus 12 is 72 blueberries. And you can draw that picture in the empty space here, and then you can explain your thinking here. Again, you could write that in words. 60 plus 12 is 72. You could say, I drew a picture and added the friendly numbers. You just tell me what you did to solve that problem. All right, go get them.